So yo, all right. This was day one what is this? What is this? August 2nd. Yeah. So August 2nd. Truck journal number one. Take one. You see me? So yo, they are pillow, and I'm training. Right. I feel all good and everything. Stretching, all that. I'm back. So look out for me. If you don't know why I'm saying I'm back, then you gotta watch the downfall on Kmart Johnson page. But yeah, anyway, I'm back. Kmart's gonna owe me $50 after this whole thing is over, cause you made a little bet. But yeah, $50 easy cash. But yo, well, what's on my mind right now? I don't know. I just feel good. I was supposed to go to the doctor today, but instead I went to run. He's supposed to give me the permission to run, but I don't need no doctor's permission. I just got up and run. So yeah, I did I did four, no, I did three, 55 and 100. I'm feeling good. I have some girls that cheer for me. You see me? But yeah, what happened? That's about it. I was training Rodney today, my little son, and the man threw up. How you throw up after 4 lap drills and stretching? He threw up. But I'm still have to give him props though, cause him dropped in time on the 400 after second try. So yeah. So yo, I'm scared, son. I got 2 years until Olympics. Can I really make it? What if I don't make it? I'm gonna cry. Everybody know how I stay with track already. So it's like, if I don't make it, I'm gonna cry every day of my life. And when the Olympics come on and I'm not in there, I'm gonna lock myself in the closet and cry. Yeah. I just want to try out and see if I can make it. Like, if I go, I'll just be happy I win. I don't need to win nothing. I just want to go. I'm gonna try for Jamaica first, but if I don't make it, I'm gonna try for America. If I don't make it, I'm gonna get a citizenship in Africa and run for them. And if I don't make it, I'm gonna go to Australia. I'm gonna go to every single country. I'm gonna be the first black guy running for Antarctica. I'm so serious. If that's what it has to take to go to Olympics, I'm with it. So yeah. So I'm going to City Tech. They black ass track team, but it's alright though. It's alright. I'm gonna help them out. I'm gonna run, do my schoolwork, then transfer out. I'm gonna try to go to Florida or Texas State, but not Texas State, Florida State or Texas University. So any school in Florida or Texas, I'm with it. Any school down south, I'm with it. But yo, first day of practice, the show is live. Have been running 6 months. I was running out there like I haven't run since last week.